In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance the security of your Google account by setting up two-step verification and adding a YubiKey. This comprehensive guide will walk you through every step to ensure your account is protected with an additional layer of security. First, you'll need to log into your Google account, open your favorite web browser, and head over to myaccount.google.com. Once you're there, simply sign in using your Gmail credentials. This is your first step toward a more secure online experience. Next, let's dive into enabling two-step verification. On the left-hand menu, locate and click on the Security section. Scroll until you see two-step verification and click Get Started. At this point, you'll be prompted to re-enter your password as an additional measure of security. After confirming your password, you'll be guided through the setup process. Here, you can choose between SMS or Google Authenticator as your backup method. Both options are designed to provide that extra layer of security in case you misplace your primary authentication device. Once two-step verification is enabled, we'll proceed to add your YubiKey. With two-step verification still open, scroll down until you find the security key option. Click Add Security Key and prepare your YubiKey for the next steps. If you're using a computer, insert your YubiKey into the USB port, or if you're on an NFC-enabled phone, simply tap it on your device. Follow the on-screen instructions to register your YubiKey. This process is generally straightforward and involves a few simple clicks. Don't forget to name your YubiKey. Something like Home Key or Office Key works well for easy identification later on. Now that your YubiKey is set up, it's important to test its functionality. Log out of your account and then attempt to sign back in. After entering your password, you should be prompted to tap your YubiKey. If everything is working correctly, you'll be granted access to your account, now fortified with hardware level 2-factor authentication, a significant step up in your security efforts. Finally, let's discuss backup and recovery. Ensuring you have a plan in place in case you lose access to your YubiKey is vital. Google typically offers options like backup codes or an authenticator app, which you can print or store securely in a password manager. This way, even if your physical device is misplaced, you still have a way into your account without compromising security. And there you have it. Your Google account is now a lot more secure thanks to two-step verification and the addition of a YubiKey. Feel confident knowing you've taken significant steps to protect your digital life. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more tutorials on enhancing your online security.